All right, so today we're gonna bring a rolling cart, heavy duty rolling cart. We're gonna put how much weight you can actually add in here. I use this for my tools. When I travel, I like to take this with me. It has rolling wheels. Out of the box, it was very simple to take out. And the best part of it, folding it together and fitting in any vehicle you want. So pretty much set up the middle, close it up. Look at that. That's the profile of it. It's very slim. Has this Velcro, so it won't open up. You guys can see that. So very durable wheels. They have brakes. There's brakes here on the actual wheels. It has an on and off sign too. Look how beautiful it looks. Very light and very durable. So to open it up, look at that. Even the handle it's a nice profile on it. Now to open it up, of course, you're gonna have to remove the Velcro. All right. All you gotta do is split it open. That's it. So let me test it out and show you how slim it is and how it fits in a small little compact car.